Hannah brings to the school is exceptional. She is outstanding in her teaching. Her way of teaching is fresh and innovative.
It was obvious from the day we interviewed Hannah that there was something special about her, but I don't think we realised the impact that she would have.
Freya actually wants to be a teacher now because of the influence that Miss Jones has had. She inspired her to always want to do more.
Hannah has a great interest in dance, and so from day one almost she started an extracurricular club, and the children, they love going.
I think she's very supportive because we do all like tricks and flips and all that stuff. I sometimes get like a mental block when she helps me build up the confidence and supports me.
The children in her care thrive. They absolutely adore her. She's a great all-rounder and a real asset to our school.